Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive tutorial on how to replace the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Begin by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. These are usually easy to spot and are essential for accessing the motor compartment. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the cover off the vacuum. This is where the cleaning begins. It's important to clean any dust or debris you find inside, particularly around the motor area. A clean workspace will help with the assembly later. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Now, locate the motor. It's typically held in place by several screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them organized. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wiring connected to the motor. You'll need to disconnect these to fully remove it. Next, take your replacement motor and prepare it for installation. Before inserting it, double-check the connections to ensure they match the original setup. If you're uncomfortable with electrical components, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of transporting your vacuum to a repair shop. After confirming the compatibility, connect the wires to the new motor. Make sure the connections are secure. Loose wires can lead to further issues down the line. Once connected, place the motor back into its housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed using the Torx screwdriver. Now, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly and replace the screws, ensuring everything is tight and secure. This is crucial for the optimal performance of your vacuum cleaner. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront without any surprises. Finally, plug in your vacuum cleaner and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds. Everything should run smoothly. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional advice. You can always rely on our expert services, which include no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get your vacuum fixed. And that concludes our detailed guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. By following these steps, you can save on repair costs and extend the life of your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.